Another day, another kefir batch. Here's today's batch. It turned out really nice. This is about perfect. It's a tiny bit away right there. It's nice and thick consistency. This one I already shook up. Beautiful consistency. These had a little bit of a journey because my times got screwed up yesterday. Just give you an idea of what I did. It's about 68 degrees in my house maybe. The temperature's really dropped here dramatically. And where I'm keeping them, I think is keeping them a little bit cold still. But I put these in fresh milk around 11 or 12 yesterday in the afternoon, about 12 noon. I left them in the fridge till 6 o'clock at night. Then I took them out till 9:30. I put them back in the refrigerator last night. So they were out for 3.5 hours there. Then this morning I took them out of the refrigerator at 9 a.m. and I left them out till now it's 10:30. So that's 5 hours at about 68 degrees with a 3-to-1 grain ratio. A lot of grains. These are going to be perfect. I'm going to put these in the fridge in my container for a one-day second ferment, and they're going to be beautiful, rich, bubbly, like a cross between a sourdough milkshake and a beer. Basically what it's like. I don't know, but it comes out like a milkshake mixed with a beer. It's so bubbly. I've had something like it before. I'm not sure what it is, but whatever it is, it's extremely like a fizzy milkshake. Maybe a root beer float. Similar consistency maybe to a blended root beer float. I don't know. These are beautiful. Okay, here we'll see the consistency results on that. Strain this down a little bit. All right, here's the other one. This is the one that had a tiny bit of whey starting to form. That's how many grains I'm using in my mason jar, I should say. And I got one more scoop here, as you can see. Hang on. And that's how much I use in one 16-ounce jar. And then you fill that up to the neck with milk. That's about perfect for me, for how I like to set up my timing. Gets it done quick. And here we are. Beautiful kefir. This is great. If you don't like sour kefir, this is absolutely phenomenal. It's like a cake batter, and this is just directly strained. All I'm going to do is set it in the fridge, 24 hours. Tomorrow this will be even thicker. That's it. Beautiful. It doesn't need any sweeteners, nothing. You don't need to add anything. This is just perfect. It's right at that point where it's the best. All right, have a good day and happy kefiring. Enjoy your kefir. So with it being colder and my timing being thrown off, there's a couple things you can do. One thing you can do is use less milk. Less milk is going to turn faster, so that will adjust my timing. Or I can use more grains. Either or. Put it into a warmer place, obviously.